As
Are you doing a new French tip with that?
I was gonna try to do ombre. I was like having fun with this.
I guess you could. You gotta blend it nicely.
Okay, so I'm picking a darker one. I'm having so much fun because I just get that box and it's like, cool. Okay, so we do like a French like that. You can do French or ombre. Let's see. And my number one brush. Yes, the number one brush, the floral brush. So I'm gonna see.
Before you do that, I'll give you a matte top coat on this.
Matte top coat on this one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You're gonna be so pretty.
Here for 60 seconds.
Mm-hmm.
I'll pick a little bit of the darker colors from the palette. And then see. I'm playing with this, so we'll see it's gonna turn out the front because I'm just curious. I'm picking it a little bit of the top coat, as you can see, because to blend it so nice.
You know what? That doesn't look bad at all.
Let me see some furs getting in here. Okay. Continue it. And then you can do a second coat. Let's see. It looks good to me, but...
Easy ombre.
Oh, nice. You can do another coat.
Gel polish.
Cure first. Flash cure for 30 seconds. And then we're going to do the second coat. Why am I like thinking of doing this and this? You can do this one. And these two are ombre together too. I don't know how it's gonna look. It's just so cool though. Pick a little bit more and do a second coat and see it's gonna turn out darker. Let's do this. So this has come from a sub box that I just got. So I'm so excited for a lot of you are getting. It's exclusive from a sub box. So you get not only like one color, but like 3 colors. So it's like really cool though. I'm just like doing it this time. You remember that I did like about 50%. This time I'm gonna do like about 30%. And then again with the number one, the Farber brush. It's just one of my favorites that I also do ombre with. If you're blending, so I'm gonna just like keep the bristle. This is like a Farber brush, and I love this one. This guy is. Let me use it all the time for the ombre. Blend, 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 blend. Keep the bristles like have a parallel with the nails and blend it up. And see what it is. What you think?
Does look nice. Came out really nice.
You like the ombre like that? Not bad at all.
Now let's cure.
Cure.